During the hurricane season, communities rely on accurate forecasts to stay safe. But this year, meteorologists are facing an unexpected challenge: budget cuts to NOAA and the National Weather Service. NOAA and the National Weather Service are responsible for tracking hurricanes, issuing warnings, and collecting weather data. They've had a huge reduction in funding. The funding for this year was already cut 10%. For next year, the proposal is a 27% cut from the 2024 levels. Now, many local forecast offices are already working with reduced staffing levels, so they're relying on remote help from other offices. A lot of these offices are already in hurricane-prone areas. We've also seen a huge reduction in weather balloon launches due to staffing issues or lack of funding. Now, key programs including storm research, forecast models, as well as aircraft reconnaissance missions like the Hurricane Hunters have all been scaled back. Many have warned that this could make hurricane predictions less precise, leading to delayed evacuations and increasing risk to coastal residents. For instance, in previous seasons, we've had unlimited resources to send multiple aircraft into storms to collect data in real time. Now, with fewer flights and reduced staffing, the ability to predict a storm's path and intensity could be compromised. In local communities like Charleston, Wilmington, and New Orleans, emergency managers are concerned. Without precise storm tracking, officials fear evacuation orders may be harder to issue. Timely, accurate forecasts save lives. If we don't have reliable data from NOAA, it could put families at greater risk during the hurricane season. Now, experts are warning that the consequences of these budget cuts could be, tremendous. So advocates are pushing that they get restored almost immediately. Now, in the meantime, meteorologists and emergency officials urge residents, you got to stay informed, be prepared early. Even with reduced staffing, the dedicated men and women in NOAA will work with the resources they have to make it really safe out there. It just makes it harder and more stressful in times of very active weather.